Hey everyone, I am making a homemade salad. This is the beauty of growing your own food. Here's some parsley, so I'm just gonna, I don't have my, well, I can't use my scissors with my recordings and trying to get this, so I'm just gonna pick some of this off, get some lettuce. And this lettuce is starting to overgrow, so what's going to happen is I'm going to pull these out and plant some new ones, and as they start coming up we'll eat off of those, but for now we're eating off of these. And I've already planted some smaller ones over there to see them coming up, so the same thing is going to happen in this area, but for right now I'm just going to pick this lettuce off. As you can see, I picked the lettuce in this little corner here, and what I'm going to do is go back and put some more seeds in this area right here. So now we're done with these lettuce leaves here. Next I'm going to go and get some arugula. Here is a patch of our arugula, and as you can see it's starting to flower and go to seed. So I don't want to get rid of all of these, so we're still eating off this plant, but I'm going to pull some of these and plant some more arugula seeds. But as you can see, this plant is going to seed, so I do want to save some of these and collect the seed. And this is a way that you buy once and you will forever have seeds if you learn how to save them. And this is why you also want to get things that are heirloom. So yeah, or open pollination. So those are the two best seeds you want to get, so that you can keep on collecting the seeds and know what you're going to get year after year when you replant those seeds. So I'm going to collect some more arugula and I'll show you where we're at. So this is what we have so far. We have arugula on top and we have lettuce on the bottom. And I think I'm going to get a little bit of spinach. So I'll be back. Alright, and here I just got a little bit of seed, a little bit of spinach. And now we're gonna go get a carrot. So this is the raised bed full of carrots and some parsnip back there. Parsnip didn't take the first time, so it's a little behind. So we're gonna pick one of these carrots. Let's go for this one. Oh, this is tiny. Let's try this one. That's better. In addition to eating the carrots, we're also going to eat the carrot tops and put those in the salad as well. Okay, so here's one. Actually, these two are together. I'm going to leave this smaller one in. Pull this one out. Alright, so this is better. And let me put this one back. So these were only planted a few weeks ago. After washing the leafy green vegetables, I use my oxo spinner to remove the water from the vegetables. This spinner does a wonderful job removing the excess water. And here's the final result with some carrot leaves, nice amount of chicken, homegrown chicken, tomatoes, carrots, lettuce, parsley somewhere in there, spinach, onions, right from our own backyard.